Well, looky here what I found. I hadn't pulled it yet. I bet you a bird's done pecked it, maybe not. I got a little bump on that side. I bet I can cut that off. First tomato of the year. Nice one. Baseball size. I think these are Mountain Glory. Some plants my brother-in-law gave me. Like I say, that little old thing, something might have tried to bite it, or a bug bit it, or it's either bug sucked or a bird pecked at it. Just couldn't reach it good. But that's nice. We will have that tonight. First tomato of the year. Many more to come, I hope. Now some of you might say, do you really feel good about eating that if a bird might have pecked it? Might have bird flu or something? Well, that's the first tomato of the year. I mean, you've got to understand that's first tomato of the year. If it was the 301st tomato of the year, maybe I'd give it to the chickens. I doubt it, but I might give it to the chickens because there would be plenty more where that came from. But that is the first tomato of the year, and it's been too long, and it's gonna get ate. It's gonna get ate. We're gonna cut around that. All right, we're gone.